Now we are going to discuss about the valley landscape. Valley landscape. You write down the topic, valley landscape. Valley landscape. You write down the topic, valley landscape. A landscape which is highly different to the mountainous landscape can be seen in the valleys. Before this we discuss about the mountain landscape. When we compare about when we compare mountain landscape and valley landscape, we can see different kind of features. මේ දෙකේ විශාල වශයෙන් වෙනස්කම් අපිට දකින්න පුළුවන්. A landscape which is highly different to the mountainous landscape can be seen in the valleys. Some significant features valley landscape in the South Asian region are Ganges Valley, the Ganges Valley, the Indus River Valley, as well as there are some river valleys in Sri Lanka also, Maha Valley, Kalani, Walave. These are the river valleys in Sri Lanka. Indu River Valley is located in India. Indu River Valley is located in Pakistan. Pakistan වල තමා පුතේ Indu River Valley එක තියෙන්නේ. The Ganges Valley in India. Ganges Valley in India. Sri Lanka, Maha Valley, Kalani river valleys are located in Sri Lanka. But in this lesson, we are going to discuss about the Ganges River Valley. අපි පුතේ මේ පාඩමේදී වැඩිපුර අවධානය යොමු කරන්නේ Ganges River Valley එකට තමයි වැඩි අවධානයක් දක්වන්නේ. Okay, you write down some, you write down some significant valley landscape in the South Asian region. In the South Asian region. In the South Asian region. Some significant valley landscape in the South Asian region. සුවිශේෂී valley landscape මේ South Asian region එකේ අපිට දකින්න ලැබෙනවා. First one. The Ganges Valley. The Ganges Valley. The Ganges Valley. Number 2. The Indus River Valley. The Indus River Valley. The Indus River Valley. The Maha Valley. And Kalani River Valley. Kalani. Maha Valley and Kalani River Valley. Maha Valley and Kalani River Valley.
Madam, Indus River Valley, the Indus River Valley.
Indus River Valley කියන්න පුළුවන් ඒ සකුර දාන්නත් පුළුවන් පුතේ අපිට මෙතන. Okay, you put here is Indus. Indu ගඟ කියලා කියනවනේ Indus. Okay, you write down here, put here is also Indus. The Ganges Valley, the Indus River Valley, the Maha Valley and Kalani. The Maha Valley and Kalani. Ganges River Valley, what is the country? Ganges River Valley, you write down what is the country. Ganges River Valley, India. Here you write down India. 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 Indus River Valley, what is the country?
Pakistan.
Pakistan. Okay, you write down Pakistan. 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 Maha Valley and River Valley, you know it well. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka. Okay. Have you finished?
Yes, madam.
Okay. First of all, we have to mark these river valleys in a map and we have to identify. Okay. Okay, then we are going to draw a map and identify these river valleys. දැන් අපි මේ ටික ඇඳලා river valleys mark කරමු. You draw a small South Asian map. Then we have to mark these river valleys. Here Indu River Valley. Indu River Valley. In this area, Ganges River Valley. Ganges River Valley. Put number 1. Here number 1, number 2. Number 1, here you write down Indus River Valley. Number 2, Ganges River Valley. Ganges River Valley. Next one. Here you mark Narmada. Narmada. In this side, Godavari. මේ කොනටම යනවා එක අඳින්න Godavari. Here Krishna. Kalani River Valley and Mahavali River Valley also we can draw. Kalani River Valley, Mahavali River Valley. Kalani River Valley and Mahavali River Valley. Narmada. Number 3 Narmada. Number 4 Godavari. Number 5 Krishna. Number 6 Mahavali. Number 7 Kalani. You mark them.
Finish, madam.
Can you see the board?
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
What is the largest river valley among these river valleys? What is the largest one? Huh? What is the largest river valley?
Ganges.
Ganges River Valley.
Ganges.
Yes. Yes. We are going to discuss about the Ganges River Valley landscape. Okay. Then we are going to discuss about the Ganges River Valley landscape. You write down the subtopic.
Mana subtopic එකක්ද?
Yes, you write down the subtopic. Ganges River Valley. The Ganges the Ganges River Valley, the Ganges River Valley. The Ganges River Valley. Ganges River Valley is the largest river valley in this region. This valley began in the Himalayas and extend about 2,510 kilometers up to the Bay of Bengal. Himalayan mountain range එකෙන් ආරම්භ වෙලා Bay of Bengal දක්වා ගලාගෙන එන මේ river එක length එක කොච්චරද? Extend about to 2,510 kilometers. 2,510 kilometers. එතකොට මේ river එකේ දිග පළල කොච්චරද කියලා හිතාගත්ත හැකි නේද? river එකේ විශාලත්වය ඔයගලන්ට compare කරන්න පුළුවන් with the length and width of Sri Lanka. You can compare the length of this river according to the length and width of Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka from Point Pedro to Dondra Head. Point Pedro to Dondra Head 432 kilometers. දිග්ගම ගත්තොත් ලංකාවේ කිලෝමීටර් 432යි තියෙන්නේ. But in this river length 2,510 kilometers. Can you understand it? Huh? With
Yes,
from
madam.
Colombo to Sangamakanda 224. පළලම ගත්තොත් ලංකාවේ තියෙන කිලෝමීටර් කීයද? 224. නේද? 224 kilometers from Colombo to Sangamakanda. But this river valley extend about 2,510 kilometers up to the Bay of Bengal from the Himalayan mountain range. Himalayan mountain range එකේ ඉඳලා ගත්තොත් කිලෝමීටර් 2510ක විතර දුරක් මේ river එක විහිදෙනවා. There are different landscape can be seen on either side of the valley. මේ river එකේ දෙපැත්තම ගත්තොත් විවිධ භූදර්ශන දකින්න පුළුවන්. This is considered as one of the largest river valley in the world. ලෝකේ දැන් South Asian region එකේම largest river valley එක ලෝකෙම ගත්තොත් this is considered as one of the largest river valley in the world. ලෝකයේ තියෙන river valleys වලින් විශාල එකක්. ඒ අතර තියෙන විශාල එකක් විදිහට හඳුන්වන්න පුළුවන්. Okay, you write down. You write down. The Ganges Valley. The Ganges Valley. The Ganges Valley.
points විදිහට teacher ලියන්නේ.
Yes, you put a stomach and write down. The Ganges Valley is the largest river valley. Largest river valley in the South Asian region. In the South Asian region. In the South Asian region.
Teacher, I